Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a forwards roll tutorial. So let's get into it. If you're a beginner cheerleader or gymnast, you're watching the right video. So the point of the forwards roll is that you roll, you don't flop. Because I mean, if you flop, then it's not a forwards roll, it's more of a forwards flop. So, I'm going to be showing you how to start it, how to get over, and how to end it. I'm going to be doing some drills as well, only one or two. So this is how your starting should look like. Arms up, hands down, tuck your head. To get in, you need to push off your feet a little bit. So you want to go push and roll. So to make yourself go a little bit over, we're going to use some blocks. We're going to just start with one or two. Arms up, hands down, tuck your head and roll. Add on another couple of blocks and keep going higher and higher and higher. Arms up, down, tuck and push. Okay, now to end it. So you've already rolled. You're down here, right? You want to roll up, stand up, and up. Okay? So you roll and you stand up. So now we're going to do it all together. You don't need the blocks for this one, but so you can build your confidence, use the blocks. And then arms up, hands down, tuck, and over. To stop you from flopping to the ground, you need to curl your back like this, not just to make it pretty, but to make sure you don't hurt yourself. This is what happens if you don't curl your back. It's not really a proper forwards roll, that's more of a flop. So, you want to curl and roll. There. If you keep practicing this, I'm sure this will get better, and I'm gonna have more videos like maybe dive roll, maybe handstand hop forwards roll, maybe straight arm forwards rolls. I hope this video helped you get your forwards roll really nicely. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!